Android smart TV we have purchased from Flipkart. So this is the covered seal box. Show the seal box. Now we are going to unbox this smart TV. So this is the position. You show this seal position. This is the seal position. So now we are going to unbox this one, then this one. So we are cutting this. So packaging is 5-star. It comes in a full this thing. This is the packaging. This is the TV unit. Just wait. So box is the intact. We'll open this one. So this one is the TV. It seems perfect. No cracks. This one is the TV. So what we'll do, we'll fix the stand, then we will switch on, then we will check whether this TV turns on or not. So I'll search the stand. This is the TV stand kit. Probably this contains everything. So this is a beautiful remote control provided by VW. Here I could see YouTube and Netflix buttons. So it's okay. I think this is the user manual, and these are the brackets and all. So these are the stand. So we'll fix the stand, then we'll switch on. This TV we bought from Flipkart, and the cost is 8,500, means 8499. So this is Android TV, Android Smart VW. So this is a new company, I think. So we have trusted this company. It's 4-star. So let's see the quality of the picture. We are fixing the stand. Finally we have installed, we have fixed the stand. Now let's see. Physio word. No signal.
As you can see, this is the slimness of this TV. It is not actually that much slim also, but not that bad also in terms of slimness. As you can see, these are ports and ports of this TV. As you can see, these are audio ports and USB ports. 2 USB ports are there, and there are 2 HDMI and optical earphone port also, and LAN port also. This is the back side of the TV. So friends, as you can see, this is the user interface of this TV. As you can see in the top right corners, as you can see in the top right section, there are multiple section to choose. So as you can see, I am now currently in the search section. So let's go to the app section first. So the app is the second one, and you can see round figure. So this is the all application section. On the apps are here. As you can see, these are the apps I've downloaded, and most of them are pre-installed only. And you can see this is the input sources category. And moving to the Wi-Fi also, this is the Wi-Fi section network. In here you can see net mode, wired network, wireless is given, and these are our networks. You can see network. Talking about next is this on settings button, terms and condition and settings is given here. The settings section, and you can see in wireless on this settings, system settings are there. You can see system info. If you see, this is the Android version 9. It is having 4GB internal storage and 512GB memory. 4 core processor. It is smart TV, as you can see. This is the Android 9. So not that bad on some of the user interface. You can see this is the internal storage, and as you can see the common settings, language, input mode, system recovery, all of that, time also, time zones and all the data formats. Network I have already shown you, and in terms and condition it is open in browser. So again, moving on this interface, as you can see this is the front page. You can see, and you can see in the this banners, the banner of one YouTube video is given there. Things are given there. And you can see, friends, talking about, as you can see, these are more apps. They are not installed, but you can install them by clicking them. There is one Play Store type application in there. As you can see, if you put this one button is the mouse mode in the remote, it is there. As you can see, one mouse has come. It's very helpful because sometimes the remote function does not, we are not able to change it up and down. So now this we can change it very nicely. So it's a very good the interface. Talking about this price point, very good. As you can see, friends, this is the picture quality of this TV. It's really nice. Which it has 720p of resolution. HD means 720p. So friends, this is all for today's video. I hope you like the video. Do like, subscribe and share the video to your friends and family.